again with UNice, guys. So it's the same packaging as before. Let's see what we got there. So first thing I'm seeing is the goodie bag and then the wig. So let's see what we got inside the goodie bag. I got a branded UNice elastic headband as usual, a pair of lashes, a brush, and I got a pair of the HD wig caps. Two other goodies in the box. I got another pack of the HD wig caps, and I also got this drawstring UNice bag. This is the wig of the day. It's a beautiful 24-inch body wave wig, but what's so special about today's wig is that it is a pre-cut. Yes, we have another gorgeous pre-cut and pre-customized invisible knot lace closure wig. This is a 7x5 golden ratio lace. All right, so these are hand-tied knots. It's hand-tied knots on this lace closure that I have today. It looks really good, and I can imagine why they call it the golden lace, because it is pre-bleached and pre-customized already for you. These type of knots, like the invisible knots, blend amazingly with your hairline. As you see, it's already styled for you guys, you know, pre-customized, all that good stuff, so you don't need to go in and do any of that. The only thing I probably like, the last time I remember I got a wig from them, it was pre-customized just the same, especially with the edges, but the only thing is that I had to kind of fix the position of them because they were a little bit too close for my head. So we're gonna see how it fits this time, but this is absolutely flawless. It's plucked perfection. I definitely wouldn't trouble that to pluck it any further. It has this portion here which is like a non-slip area to the cap. It has this adjustable elastic band if you need to tighten it or loosen it on your head, and it has a total of 2 combs on the inside of the cap. It's a breathable cap as well, as you can see. I actually like these caps because it make your scalp feel as if it can breathe, so you don't feel too confined. So that's really nice that they're incorporating these caps in the wigs. You just have to be a little bit more careful with them, you know, so they're lasting. It's a natural 1B. It's a natural 1B hair color, and it's very full and soft. Yeah, so that's beautiful. So now that I show you guys the wig that we have for today, of course it's glueless, so you don't know the vibe already. No glue, no form of adhesive needed to rock this wig. And because it's a 7x5 lace closure wig, you know, it have like a wider coverage, so it's pretty big. Okay, so yeah, I definitely, after slipping the wig on, I definitely need to go in and just readjust the swoops. I mean, you could totally, if you don't want to do the swoops, you don't have to, you could pull them back, but I need to adjust the swoop so it can better suit my face. And 7.5 ratio, like lace closure ratios, are very much close to a full-on like lace frontal, because it comes all the way to my ear. Yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is fix the swoop's hair. You could completely just comb it back and you could rock it without any swoops. Of course, there's a little bit of cast, so we can fix that with some powder, which I will do in a little bit. So don't worry about that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get rid of the castiness with some powder. You know, nothing a little powder can't fix. this is so beautiful, and to know that it is glueless, oh my gosh. What I'm gonna do is just go in and redefine the look of the waves. You see how, oh my god, the fluff, the body to this wig is just immaculate. The hairline is looking so good. You see that? Absolutely no glue, absolutely no glue. So that's amazing. I love that. So as I said, I'm just gonna go through this slightly with my curling iron. Those are the really quick loose curls that I did, and oh, the hair is so full and nice. It is gorgeous, so nice and soft. I'm getting minimal shedding, just so you guys know. And this is 24 inches. Did I tell you? It is 24 inches, so you can bear that in mind. The hair does feel really good. It feels very nice and luxurious. You see those big sexy waves? Yeah, that's what I was going for. Definitely what I was going for. So yeah, UNice Hair did it again. As I said, completely glueless, the invisible knots. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I didn't have to, the parting, I just leave it like this. I did straighten it a little bit, but I'm not going to like apply any powder to it or anything. I like how it looks straight out of the packaging. It looks very much like scalp. I like how it's not extremely like neat. It looks a little bit more realistic, so I like that. So yeah, this is it. This is today's wig look, guys. Let me know what you think. So you guys know what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you're interested in ordering it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. Just go down below and click that link, and I'll also add the specifications of this wig if you guys are interested to know those as well. So yeah, just check out my description box for all the information. If I have any discount codes, any deals, any sale going on, that will be listed, so please check it. But that's it for today's wig look. I hope you found this video informative. This look is really quick and cute. It's classic. It's a classic vibe, you know. Nothing beat a classic hair look. So yeah, they did it. They did it again. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just love me for myself.